Alright, today I had my recall completed on my handbrake. Pretty much the whole recall was them replacing this small part in the rear of the car. Because I have a 2016 Mazda 3 Sport that was made in Mexico, so I'm not sure what classifies it as part of the recall, but the 2016 sedan that my girlfriend has that was made in Japan was not included. Ever since he did it now, it seems like it's like really loose, and I mean, as you can see, it engages like very easily. I can just like, so I don't know if that's normal, but after the recall, it's so much easier to pull up. Okay, so after having my e-brake in that way for a few days and testing it out, I had a hill that I parked on and I put my car in neutral and I fully engaged the e-brake and I actually rolled backwards, so I knew that it was not engaging properly. So as you'll see in the next clip, I took it back and here was the result. Alright, so now that they've fixed it, it has, you know, a more substantial feel to it and it's not real loose to just do with one finger. That's kind of a pain that they can't even complete their own recall properly. So it's unfortunate that, you know, I had to go back and have this done, but I'm just glad they fixed it, and it's too bad that dealerships, a lot of times you have to check their work. I don't know why, but they must just try to get people in and out as fast as possible. Alright guys, good luck if you have to take this in for your recall, and make sure that you check the handle a few times before you head off the lot. See ya.